Today I'm going to be unboxing these duster refills from HOOWISH. I think that's how you pronounce it. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is what the refills look like. They do look like they would be pretty effective at trapping dust. And you can see here I'm pulling on them and the little fuzzy things are not coming off. If I pulled hard enough, I could probably remove them, but they are not just like falling off. And I'm trying all over the place. So it does appear that these are well made, and this material does trap dust. I can attest to that. I've seen many products that have this same kind of feel that do trap dust. On the back, there are two small grooves for you to insert your holder. I do not have a holder, so I can't test that for you. But what I can do is show you what it does to the dust that's on my desk. And I have quite a bit of dust on this desk mat. So let's just see what happens when I use the duster cloth. It didn't pick up the heavier items, but it did pick up the lighter pieces on my desk. You can see them all trapped in the cloth right there.